NH fuse links, reliable protection in industrial. See why they are still unmatched. NH fuse links are standard protection devices used in high-power low-voltage installations. Their main task is to protect circuits against the effects of short circuits and overloads, ensuring the safety and reliability of power systems and high short-circuit current interruption capacity. The construction of the NH insert consists of several important elements: ceramic body, usually made of soapstone, resistant to high temperatures. Fuse element made of silver or copper tape, melting during overload. Silver-plated copper blade contacts, enabling stable electrical connection. Activation indicator, informing about fuse burnout. Quartz sand of appropriate granulation, suppressing the electric arc during burning. How does the NH fuse link work? Under normal conditions, current flows freely through the fuse element. In the event of an overload or short circuit, the fuse element quickly heats up and melts, breaking the circuit. Quartz sand effectively cools the electric arc, extinguishing it almost immediately, minimizing the risk of fire or damage to the installation. NH fuse links are available in several sizes marked as NH00, NH1, NH2, and NH3. These sizes translate into the values of maximum rated currents. NH00, up to 160 amps, NH1, up to 250 amps, NH2, up to 400 amps, NH3 up to 630 amps. The sizes enable precise selection of inserts to the needs of the installation. The key advantage of NH fuse links is their selectivity. In industrial installations, they provide full short circuit and overload selectivity, which is not offered by typical overcurrent circuit breakers. Thanks to this, a failure of one circuit does not affect the operation of other systems, which is of particular importance for the continuity of industrial production. NH fuse inserts are installed in special bases or fuse switches, such as the popular RBK00 bases or strip fuse switches. When replacing inserts, in some situations it is necessary to use insulated handles and make sure that the circuit is disconnected from the power supply. Never replace the insert under load, as this may cause a dangerous electric arc. NH fuse links are characterized by low power losses, high resistance to material aging, and easy diagnostics thanks to clear burnout indicators. Their standard dimensions enable quick and safe installation and replacement. In practice, NH inserts are widely used in industrial electrical switchboards, cable connectors, protection of motor circuits, transformers, distribution systems, and photovoltaic installations. They are irreplaceable wherever high effectiveness of short circuit protection is required. In summary, NH fuse links are the most effective protection solution for industry and energy. Thanks to high reliability, selectivity of operation, and resistance to aging of materials, they remain the protection standard for many years.